Happy Monday, guys. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend at home with mommy and daddy and that you had so much fun having family time. I just wanted to remind you guys and tell you guys that today is Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday, then it's Wednesday, and then on Thursday, in 4 days, you guys get to go in your car and with your mommies and daddies, and you get to drive to school, and you get to see me and Miss Kira and all of our teachers from school. Okay, so make sure you guys are wearing your masks and do not get out of your car. But you're gonna drive by with your car and you guys could wave hello to all of us, and we have a special treat for you guys then. Okay, so in how many days? 4 days on Thursday. So today is Monday. So on Thursday, 4 days from now, you guys get to go drive to school and get to see us. Okay? I can't wait to see you guys. I'm super excited. I miss you all. But we're going to get started with our lesson today. So, do you guys remember this letter? That was the letter S. Like this, S. And this is a letter that we learned last week. So last week we learned the letter S, and we learned that S says what? Like in sun. So today, or this week, we're learning a new letter. Can you guys guess what the letter is? What's after S? It is T. Okay? And T, you're going to put your finger in between these two, your thumb in between these two fingers. Then you're going to close your hand and make a fist like that. And that is T in sign language. So today's little letter, or this week's letter, is the letter T. And T as in table. So let's find out what T says. Okay, so put your T's behind your back, and we're going to say, where is T? Where is T? Here I am. Here I am. What does T say? What does T say? T, 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 t. Can we all say T? The T says T. The T says T. Every letter makes a sound. The T says T. Okay? So make sure you are doing the same thing I am with your lips and your mouth. T, t, t. The T says T. Awesome job, guys. So make sure you go and look the letter T song, and then you are going to tell me if T is a vowel or a consonant. So make sure you look up the song, and then you figure out if you have if T is a vowel or a consonant. What do you think? I think it's a vowel. Okay, so I'm gonna, after this video, I'm gonna listen to it, and then I'm gonna figure out if it's a vowel or a consonant. Do you think I'm right? Is it a vowel? Okay, we'll see. Tomorrow we're gonna find out if it's a T or not. A consonant or not. Okay? Then you are going to take out your letter T handout. Okay? And what's the first thing that you do? You write your name. T. Your name is not T. You first write your name. And my name is Stephanie. So I'm going to put my name right here, and it's going to say Stephanie. But if your name is Ava, Ava is going to put her name here on top of the line. What if your name is Jack? Do you put your name down here? No, you put your name up here, Jack. Okay? So we all put our own name on top of our paper. And you just practice as best as you can, and I'm sure all of you guys have improved so much in writing your name, and I can't wait to see it. I can't believe I'm missing out, but I'm so proud of all of you for writing your names. I hope you guys are practicing every day. So right here in this little square, it says it has a big T and a little t, because that's the letter we're learning this week. These squares have pictures, and we're going to find out which one of these begins with the letter T. T, t, t. Okay, so listen closely. Make sure you're listening. T, t, 10. T, t, tiger. Seashell. Okay, one more time. T, t, 10. T, t, tiger. Seashell. Which picture begins with the letter T? If you are saying 10 and tiger, you are correct. 10 and tiger begin with the letter T. So you're going to color them, and then you are going to draw them down here in these two boxes. Okay, you could draw the 10 here and the tiger here, or the 10 here and the tiger there. Okay, it's your choice. Then on this side, you look for the little t and the big T's. Okay, you color them in, and so I could tell if you know what a T looks like. Do you guys know what a T looks like? Yep, it's right here. T. Then on the bottom lines, you're going to write capital T, big T, and lowercase t, little t, all the way across. And if it's too hard, it's okay. Just try your best and practice. Maybe you could have mommy and daddy write the letter T's in a yellow marker, and then you guys could trace over it. All right? What else starts with the letter T? Can we find it? Ooh, we got my choice board. Okay, can you guys see which shape starts with the letter T? What about triangle? Triangle starts with the letter T. And trapezoid. So this green shape, trapezoid, and triangle, they both begin with what letter? T. Okay, so your math journal, remember this? Yours should be blue or white. I want you to look for an empty page, and I want you to practice or try drawing a triangle and a trapezoid. Okay, it doesn't matter what colors you used. I just want you to try your best. Don't worry if it's not perfect. So see, I drew a trapezoid and a triangle, and I want you to do the same. Okay, you could do more than one. You could fill up your page with trapezoids and triangles. Okay, so that's what I want you to do with on your math journal. All right, then this week we are learning about, can you guys guess? Can you guys guess what this is? Flowers. We're going to learn about flowers. Do you guys have flowers at home? If not in your house, maybe outside in your garden, or when you go take walks. Do you see flowers? Yeah. Are all flowers pink? No, some of them are. They could be blue and yellow and white and maybe green. So there's lots of flowers out there. So we're going to be learning about flowers. But today we're going to learn about the different parts of a flower. Okay, so I drew a flower, and if you see, there's some arrows, and we're going to figure out what are those parts called from a flower. Okay, so we're going to start from the top. So this little round orange ball looking thing. So what do you think that's called? It's called a seed. So I'm going to be labeling the parts of the flower. So this little arrow is pointing out and it's called a seed. Okay, now the next arrow is pointing at the pink parts. What do you think those are called? This is a whole flower, but what do you think this is called? The pink parts. They are called petals. Can you say it with me? Petals. Okay, so the pink parts are called petals. They look like leaves, but they're not called leaves. They are petals. Okay, and then the next arrow, what is this? This green part. What do you think it's called? Maybe like a stick, but it's not called a stick. Do you guys know? It's called a stem. A stem. And the stem is a very important part of the flower. It holds the flower up, right? When you pick flowers, you pick it out from the stem. Okay? And you should all know this one. What do you think this one's called? A leaf. This is the leaf. And a lot of flowers have them. When you pick a flower, do you pick it with the leaves on it or no leaves? Okay, a leaf. Now, the next one. This is a little tricky one. What do you think this one's called? I didn't know what it was. But then I had to look it up. And then I learned what it was. Do you guys know? It's okay if you don't. Because I didn't know either. But I learned this is called a sprout. Can you say sprout? Sprout. This little bean, yellow part is called a sprout. And last one. What do you think these are called? They are called roots. You're right. Roots. Look at that, guys. We did it. We named all the parts of a flower. Okay, let's review. We have a seed. We have petals. We have a stem. And we have a leaf. We have a sprout. And we have roots. We did it, guys. Okay, let's count how many parts of the flower we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts from the flower. That is so awesome. Okay, so your job today is go find a flower. Do you have a flower at home? If you don't, maybe outside in your garden or in your patio. And when you find that flower, let's see if you could find all the different parts that we just talked about. Okay? And then come back tomorrow and we'll see what else we've learned about flowers. Okay? Well, I'm super excited to be back with you guys this week, and I can't wait to see you guys in how many days? 4 days. All right? See you guys later. Bye.